Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So, in this video I wanted to talk about how we use this device right here. So many times per day are we taking this out of our pockets and we're looking at this thing. About how many minutes per day do you think you're looking at your phone? Is it over an hour? 2? 4? Think about that for a minute. So back in the day when iPhones didn't have backgrounds, it was just a black screen, you didn't have the ability to change your screen. Now iPhones, they have that ability and you can have any screen you want. In fact, there are too many choices. So like once a week I was changing my screen just to find something new. And I decided the other day to just use the stock screens. If you're an Apple user, you probably know what that means. It just means the ones that it comes to the manufacturer. And what I realized was I chose one screen. It was a picture of the Earth. And every single time I looked at my phone, I saw a picture of the Earth. And I realized that this is a wonderful way to remind myself of perspective. Every single day, I look at the phone, and then I notice that background picture of the Earth. And I notice that we're a part of something much bigger than just ourselves. And this is actually a really ancient philosophical tool that you can zoom out on your life. Marcus Aurelius spoke of this all the time, about looking at things from above, looking at a town while you're in the mountains and looking at that town and understanding society and how things go about. So I encourage you to have that perspective, and you can actually trick yourself to having that perspective by just having a picture of Earth, or maybe even if you're in China, just actual China itself, the map of China, or even outer space. Whatever floats your boat, whatever makes it good for you. But I would encourage you every day to have that perspective. And in that way, just don't get caught up in the small stuff. So I hope that you find this helpful. I hope that you get some healthy perspective today. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.